Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer accounts from TD Ameritrade, complete guide step by step clear. To begin transferring your accounts from TD Ameritrade, first, gather all necessary account information. This includes your TD Ameritrade account numbers and any relevant personal identification details. Next, research the brokerage you are transferring to and ensure they support account transfers. Visit the new brokerage's website and locate their account transfer section. Create an account if you do not already have one with the new brokerage. In the account transfer section, look for the option to initiate a transfer. Select the type of transfer you wish to perform, either a full transfer of the entire account or a partial transfer of specific assets. Fill out the transfer request form accurately, including your TD Ameritrade account details and your new brokerage account information. Review all information for accuracy to avoid delays in the transfer process. After submitting your transfer request, you'll receive a confirmation from your new brokerage. Next, keep an eye on your email for any follow-up communications regarding your transfer. It may take several days for the transfer to process, so be patient during this time. Monitor both your TD Ameritrade and new brokerage accounts to ensure the transfer is completed. Once the transfer is finalized, verify that all assets and account details have successfully moved to your new account. If you notice any discrepancies, contact customer service at the new brokerage for assistance. Lastly, once your transfer is complete, review the new brokerage's features and tools to take full advantage of your new account setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more steps.